I was one of those who plotted that you should not be speaker. I have no regret because my business is not to help your party that time. Even man. My business is to make people uncomfortable. So I was supporting, it was in government house, Lodge, River State, in Abuja. When we plotted, it should not go. We plotted. PDP people, governors sold me out. They supported you. Even when we have agreed that the Femi should not go, Lawan should not go. As a party, they went back and supported you. And that was how you made Gbajabiamila the minority leader. Even when we wrote you a letter, that's not what we wanted. You know, people don't like the truth, but the truth must be told at all times. You disregarded our party letter and made Gbajabiamila leader. These are people who sold PDP. The truth must be told at all times. When I saw them, they say we will impeach Buhari. They don't have the balls. They don't have it. They don't have it. Today they are saying impeach Buhari. Ordinary to override electoral they couldn't. I told them they cannot talk now. It's impeachment. Let me see who will stand up and say, Mr. Speaker, they think they can use Nigerians up and down. Why you? Something you know you cannot do. Why do you say it out? Why do you say it out? Mr. Speaker, you see, I told you in my house before we came here, I plotted against you. If I saw another way to plot, I will plot. Because you are in a different party. I'm in a different party. Anything that will make you not comfortable is my business as opposition. But look, you're a good man. One day you called me. You said, look, Governor, this is your life. You oppose me every day and this and that. He said, do you have a name? I said, which name? He said, as an appointment, give me a name. I said, me. He said, me. Are you sure? He said, no, give me a name. I gave him. The person was appointed. You see, it's not about, you see, people do things party. I look at people now. You know, it pains me so much. In 2019, I say, when I see people talking about PDP today, I say, what is going on in this world? In the South, well, they all betrayed us.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.